everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a trending Doodle sketch AI photo using Google Gemini's Nano Banana. It's super fun, totally free, and all you need is your own photo and a short prompt. So let's get started. First, just open your Google Gemini. You can open it through your browser or to the app like this. And then just simply sign in using your Google account. And once you're in, just tap on create image, this one. Just tap on it to access the Nano Banana. Or you can also tap on tools icon and then create images like this. This is one powered by Nano Banana. It's Gemini's newest image editing feature that lets you transform your photo instantly just by using text prompts. And then next, just upload your photo that you want to edit. You can use any portrait or selfie, but just make sure the face is clear and valid for the best result. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo. And then next, let's come the fun part. Let's writing a prompt. Before, I already made a prompt like this. You can just copy my prompt, just screenshot it and then just copy it to your prompt box. But feel free if you want to customize it with your own twist, maybe like add your name or change the background to your favorite color or add extra doodles. Just feel free to tweak it. And then next, I will just copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini and then paste it, and when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this in just a few moments, and there you go. It looks so awesome and cute, right? You have just made your own Doodle sketch AI photo. And then if you unsatisfied with the result, you can change or just improve your prompt until you find the best result. And okay, maybe that's it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit a like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.